Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to use a cool new pattern roller from Martha Stewart Crafts. This is not a sponsored video, but Plaid did send me the roller and the handle to try for free. You have to assemble the roller handle before you use it, but it's super easy to put together and you don't need any tools. Just screw the handle onto the metal bracket and insert the foam roller into one set of the 3 holes in the center of the bracket. For this project, I chose to use their vintage floral pattern roller, but they make them in a variety of different patterns. This soft rubber roller will apply a continuous pattern on whatever surface you use it on. Just insert the roller into one of the 2 holes at the top of the roller handle. These products are mainly meant for home decor use, but I wanted to try them out on a smaller project first. I'm using Fabric Creations fabric ink to roll the pattern onto a cheap tote bag. Start by adding ink to a plate or roller pan. Just make sure that it's big enough for the roller. Then remove the pattern roller and roll the foam roller in the ink. Let the ink really absorb into the foam. Then you can reinsert the pattern roller. Give the roller a few passes over a piece of scratch paper to make sure that the ink has covered all of the raised areas of the pattern roller. Then all you have to do is roll the pattern right onto the tote bag. The foam roller automatically inks the pattern roller, so you don't have to keep dipping back and forth into the ink. It really is ridiculously easy to do. I did have some spots where I had gotten ink on parts of the pattern roller that I shouldn't have, but if I had been paying better attention, I could have easily fixed that before I started rolling. The rubber pattern roller cleaned up in no time. The foam roller took quite a bit of rinsing to get clean, but that's to be expected with an absorbent foam roller. I think this Martha Stewart pattern roller would be amazing for furniture makeovers or painting a fun accent wall. This floral roller, like I said, is just one of several patterns they have available, so check out the description box below for more information. Click the thumbs up button if you learned something new today. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. Visit me on my blog, Madden Crafts, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!